This is a lemon and this is a watermelon. The watermelon is very heavy and the lemon is very light. Some substances are heavy and some are light. Let's study the pairs and also decide which are heavy and which are light. The lock and the key. The lock is heavy and the key is light. The bottle gourd and chili. The bottle gourd is heavy and the chili is light. Can you think of some other examples? Look, an iron and the wood. The wood floats on water whereas the iron sinks in water. The iron is heavy and the wood is light. An elephant and an ant. The elephant is heavy and the ant is light. Look at the vegetables, onions, potatoes and green peas. Now try to lift the bag containing the vegetables. Now this bag contains potatoes and the other contains onions. How to decide which one is heavier? We shall require a weighing scale which one finds with the vegetable vendor. Let's weigh them. 2 kg, 1 kg, 500 grams, 200 grams, 100 grams, 50 grams to be shown. 1 kilo or 1 kilogram, half a kilo, 500 grams, 2 kilos or 2 kilograms. Now, which is this smallest weight? 50 grams. This is the smallest weight. Now, let's weigh the potatoes and onions. Put weight of 500 grams in one pan. The bag containing potatoes goes down and the pan having weight goes up. What does it mean? It means that the potatoes are heavier than 500 grams. So, we will have to add more weights in the pan. By keeping the 500 grams weight aside, put 1 kg weight. If the scale is balanced from both the sides, then the weight of the potato is 1 kilogram. Now, let us weigh the onion by putting the 2 kilogram weight in the pan. Now, you will find that the pan containing onions comes up. It means that the onions are lighter than 2 kilograms. 2 kilogram weight is heavier than the onions. Therefore, the pan containing the weight is lower down. Now, we shall put 1 kilogram weight in the pan. You will observe that the weighing scale is balanced from both the sides. When we put 2 kilogram weights, the pan containing the onions comes up, and when the 500 grams weight is put, the pan containing potatoes lowers down. We have already observed that when we keep a piece of iron in one palm and wood of the same volume on another palm, the palm having a piece of iron goes down. Now you will find the weighing scale is balanced equally and both the pans are at same level. So the onions and the potatoes weigh 1 kilogram. We require some measurement and objects of the same weight. So it is 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. We have 200 gram, 100 grams to measure the articles less than 1 kilogram. Gram is a smaller unit than kilogram, much less. Now let's see if we measure both onions and potatoes together, how much it would be. 1 kilogram plus 1 kilogram is 2 kilograms. Let's observe the 2 kilogram weight. It is much heavier than 1 kilogram. Now let's weigh the green peas. This is much less than 1 kilogram as the pan containing the peas is higher up. This is much less than 1 kilogram as the pan containing the peas is higher up. Now we shall start putting smaller weights, 100 grams. The pan containing the weight is higher, so the weight of peas is much higher. Similarly, we shall put 200 gram weight and 500 gram weight till the scale is balanced equally. Now calculate the total weight of the vegetables purchased. 1 kilo onion, 1 kilo potatoes, half a kilo peas. It is 2 kilograms and half kilogram. Now tell, which are the items we purchased from a grain shop? Sugar, wheat and rice. I shall show you one more item and then you have to tell me the approximate weight of the same. Let us weigh them together. The bigger piece of jaggery mold is of 1 kilogram and the smaller one is of half a kilogram. This weighing scale is known as spring weighing scale. How many types of weighing scales are there? How do we measure the weight of an elephant? We observe the heavier weighing scales at toll station. The trucks are weighed over here. The truck is brought on the platform which is connected to the weighing scale. Similarly, the elephant is also weighed. If the elephant is thirsty, how much water is required to quench its thirst? A bucket full or a barrel full or a tank full? How much does an ant require water? A small spoonful? The spoon, glass, bucket and a water barrel hold a certain amount of water. The holding capacity of these articles is different. Now let's study the vessel which is bigger and can hold more milk. What is the capacity? Hey, look at the measuring cup. 1 liter is written on it. The vessel in which we boil the milk has a different capacity. Now let us use 1 liter measuring cup. Suppose you have water and this measuring cup before you. How will you use the measuring cup? This vessel can hold much more water. Now we will add 1 more liter of water to it. So 2 liters of water is there now. Now the vessel is filled up to the brim. So its capacity to hold the water is 2 liters. Let us calculate the holding capacity of a tub and a bucket. The bucket holds 10 liters of water, whereas the tub holds 12 liters of water. Now tell me, which article holds more water? Naturally, the tub has more capacity and the bucket has less capacity. How much water do we require daily? We bathe, clean the vessels and wash clothes. The tank having capacity of 500 liters gets exhausted by evening. So, we require around 500 liters of water. What did we learn? To compare the weights of various articles, heavy, light or any solid article is measured in kilograms. The holding capacity of the liquid is measured in liters. The food grains, vegetables are measured in kilogram. There are different types of weighing scales, electronic scale, manual scale and spring scale, etc. The liquids like milk, petrol and oil are measured in liter form. Do it yourself. Name of the article: pack of salt, 50 biscuits, 5 cups of sugar, 1 potato. Approximate weight: 1 kilogram, less than 1 kilogram and more than 1 kilogram. Measure the following with help of 1 kg weight and weighing scale: rice, potato, jowar, wheat. 1 kilogram, 3 kilogram and half a kilogram. Calculate how much water is required for following activity: for bathing, preparing 10 cups of tea, for garden. Take half a liter bottle and measure the following: 1 liter, 2 liters, half a liter and 1.5 liters.